Most people see a pile of rust. You see a masterpiece waiting to be reborn. Why? Restoring a classic car isn't just a hobby. It's a psychological battle against time itself. It's about taking something the world threw away and proving it still has soul. Before we decode the grease and gears, hit that sub. Let's build something real. Reason 1. The need for tangible results. In a digital world, we're starved for real things. Most of us click buttons all day. But a car? You can feel the metal. You can smell the gas. Psychology calls this effort justification. The harder the work, the more you love the result. Reason 2. The God complex. In the garage, you are the ultimate creator. The world is chaotic. Your job is stressful. But here, everything follows your rules. If you want it red, it's red. If you want it loud, it's loud. Total autonomy. Reason 3. Legacy and immortality. We die, but the machine lives on. By saving a classic, you're preserving a piece of history that outlasts your own timeline. In the US and UK, car culture is the new religion for the modern man. It's a rite of passage. Passing the keys to your kid is the ultimate handoff. Reason 4. Escapism. The garage is the only place the world can't reach you. It's a flow state sanctuary. When you're tuning a carb, the noise of life goes mute. Reason 5. The therapy of simplicity. Old machines don't have sensors or software. They don't lie to you. If it doesn't start, there's a physical reason. It makes sense. This mechanical honesty is a relief for brains fried by digital complexity. Reason 6. Identity. You aren't just John from accounting. You are the guy with the Mustang. It gives you a story to tell. And in the West, your story is your social currency. Reason 7. The hunt. Finding that rare part is a hit of pure dopamine. It triggers our ancient hunter-gatherer instincts in a modern setting. Reason 8. Community. You speak a language only other gearheads understand. It's a brotherhood of grease. It's about belonging to something bigger than yourself. But there's a dark side, the perfectionist trap. It's never truly finished. We keep chasing that perfect build because we're chasing a perfect version of ourselves. Reason 9. Nostalgia. We're trying to build the car our father or grandfather had. It's a way to reconnect with roots that feel lost in the modern shuffle. Reason 10. The victory lap. The first time that engine roars to life, that's pure magic. That sound is the roar of your own willpower overcoming impossible odds. So, keep building. Keep restoring. You're not just fixing metal, you're fixing the world. The world needs more things that are built to last. Be the person who builds them. Stay locked in. Stay Clearway. Comment your dream car below. Let's see who's in the garage today. Sub for more.